Okay, we're looking in the backyard. Wait, where's Sparky and Petey? You ready to go see Sparky and Petey run in the 30 inches of snow in Centereach? Oh, there they go. We made a little obstacle course for them. Hopefully I don't fall on my butt doing this. This is probably the most snow we've ever seen since we moved here. Oh, no, I don't want to film him going to the bathroom. Very, very pretty, but a pain in the butt. Oh, where's Sparky? Haven't used this in a while, don't know how to zoom. Sparky, where are you? There you are. Oh, you can't climb over that, you're too small. You guys want to go run outside there in the obstacle course? Come on, let's go. Whoops, I should be filming you, not the snow. Come on. Alright, come on, go run out there. No, this way, Petey. Come on. Boy, this is an exciting video, isn't it? Alright, here we go. Oh, there it goes. Petey, go ahead, run around. Go ahead, run. Petey, look. Where are you going? Say hello, Robert.
Hello, Robert.
Robert was out there snow blowing. He was snow blowing for 3 hours. It's the rest of our beautiful backyard in this lovely snow. And the dogs actually chase each other through this little obstacle course. Oh, there's Sparky. Hey, Sparky. You got snow on your face. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Say hello. Whoops. This is a shaky camera. Hold on. Alright, there we go. Oops. Sparky. Okay. Hey, Petey, where are you? Oh, you have to go to the same spot? Alright, come on. Petey, where are you? Come over here. This is the crappiest video I ever filmed, probably on Facebook.
Why?
Because all I'm doing is showing mounds of snow. Oh, here he is. Hey, Petey, say hello.
You should ask them where a certain animal is.
Who?
The dog.
What animal?
Any animal. Look, I'm excited.
Hey, do you see a cat out here? Where's the cat? Where's the cat? Go get the cat. Ah.
Are they looking?
No, I'm just... I don't know where they are. Up there, Sparky. Up. Peeing again. Sparky, where you going? What? Up, there you go. Come on, Petey, run around. Here he comes. Here he comes. Petey. Where are you? Wait, hold on, Petey.
Look at Sparky.
Where's Sparky? Sparky's waiting for the camera. Say hello, Sparky.
Crazy.
You love the snow. Oh, here comes his brother with him. Alright, and yet, the 5th time in this video that he was peeing.
Run.
You run, I'm not running.
You run.
No.
I don't have sneakers on.
Well, then run in your slippers.
Go run.
I have the camera, how can I run? Oh, Sparky, say hello again. Oh, there we go. Who's out there? Who's out there? Alright, this isn't the most exciting.